learning what is programming and why do we require programming. So for that, let's take the example of the calculator. How does the calculator work? We enter the input variable here and we trigger the execution of the program in backend and we receive the output here. So in our case, we are entering two number here, 2 and 3, and I'm giving the operator plus here. After that, I'm clicking on the button which triggers the execution of the program in backend, and as the result of the execution of the program, I get the output 5 here. So there are 3 steps: input, then the button which triggers the execution of the program, and the output. Now, what is a program? A program is a set of instructions. These instructions are executed when I click on the button equal to here. So as a result of it, all the instructions which are written in the program would be executed. Now, how is this program written? Program is written in a programming language. Programming language as such: C, C++, Java, Python, etc. There are many programming languages in which we can write the program. So this set of instructions, which is also known as the program, are written in programming language. Now, as I told, the program is written in a programming language, but this program is executed on a system or a computer, and this system or computer understands machine language. It doesn't understand this programming language. This does not understand the programming language, while our program is not written in the machine language. So what we require? We require a translator in between. We require a translator in between which is responsible for converting our programming language into machine language so that the computer or the system can understand our program and can execute it. So in the case of our computer or system, we have compiler which is responsible for converting the programming language into the machine language. Now the program which we have taken here, that is of 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So if I want to simplify this program, how would I do it? So I would take input from the user. In our case it is 2 plus 3. Then I would run the program by clicking on the button equal to, and then as the result of it, we would be displaying the output back to the user, that is 5. Now these steps are written in the program. These steps are written in the program but in the programming language. These steps are written in the program but in the programming language. So these are the instructions which would be written in programming language. If I want to execute the task of calculating the value of 2 plus 3 equal to 5, what do I require? I require the input, that is 2 plus 3. Then I require a button which triggers the execution of the program, or simply you can say that we can run the program, as the result of it which we get the output here, that is 5. And this program is written in a programming language, and this program is also known as the set of instructions which are executed as the result of running the program. And these programming languages are different like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Now our program is written in a programming language, and this program needs to be executed on the computer or system, but our computer or system doesn't understand the programming language, while our program is not written in the machine language. So we require a compiler in between which would convert our programming language into the machine language, which can be understood by the computer or system here. And this instructions which we have written here is in the simpler form, but we need to write this in the programming language in a program so that it can be afterwards executed on the system.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.